Hello, I'm David, and today I would like to introduce you to our brand new Blizzard 2 saddlebags. Apart from the shape, they have absolutely nothing in common with our original Blizzards. They come in three sizes. Here we see the 15-liter version for smaller dirt bikes. There is also a 25-liter version and a 35-liter version for bigger adventure bikes. When we developed these bags, we had three major things in mind. First, robustness and repairability. Second, easy installation. And third, a maximum degree of flexibility. Of course, we are Enduristan. Waterproofness and lightweight design go without saying. So first, about the durability. We developed a new 3-layer advanced fabric. And we didn't settle to just say we have a good fabric, it's very abrasion resistant. We wanted to know ourselves how good it is. So we bought ourselves an abrasion test device and tested it against our old fabric and the fabric of our competitors. And today I can tell you that this fabric is 22% more abrasion resistant than our strongest competitor. Now let's talk about the flexibility. We all want to add additional gear on the outside of our bags. And this time we went a different way. Gone are all the flimsy straps of the Blizzard ones. We added no less than 7 of our standard and patented interfaces around the bags and on the seat. Here you can attach bottle holsters, Fender Bags and many more items we are developing right now. The roll top is now stuck away under a flap. On the right side it features a waterproof document pouch, and on the left side a quick stash option, for example for your rain gear. The roll top itself is made of a lighter fabric, so it's much easier to roll. And of course, inside it's red, as always, as you are used, so you can easily see and recognize your gear. But the best part of the new Blizzards is the new CRR crash device. We all know the problem. If you crash really hard with saddlebags, usually the lower strap rips out. And for years we tried to improve that, and we always thought, well, our design is just too weak. But then we bought ourselves a destructive test device and tested this strap, and it breaks at 240 kilograms. So that's not weak. But the forces of a crash are just much higher. So we choose to go a different way. Of course, we still improve the strap, we make it even stronger. But then we came up with our new CRR device, which stands for Crash, Replace, Ride On. Now the system itself is bolted to the back, so it will withstand much more than 240 kilograms. But inside there is the CRR brake piece, which will sacrifice itself in favor of your bags at 225 kilograms. You can just stick the strap back in and loop in a new replacement CRR brake piece, which 4 of them are coming with the bag. I hope I was able to give you a good overview over the new Blizzard 2 saddlebags, but I think the best is if you check them out yourself at one of our dealers or one of the many events we participate worldwide. So see you there.